Sound Nation.
I don't know what's gonna happen to you, baby, but I do know that I love you. Walk around this town and with your head up in the sky, but I do know that I want you. Let's dance, yeah, let's shout, yeah, shake it right down to the ground.
I wanna be your lover. I wanna turn you on, turn you out all night long, make you shout.
Everybody's talking all this stuff about me. Why don't they just let me live? You gotta hold on, ready or not. You live on the fight when it's all that you got. Oh, we're halfway there.
Just dance, gonna be okay. Da da doo doo. Just dance, when that record play. Just dance.
Turn the lights out in this place, and she shines just like a star.
Come closer.
And I just can't pull myself away under a spell I can't break. I just can't stop. I just can't stop.
All the single ladies, up in the club, just broke up. I'm doing my own little thing. Decided to dip, and now you want a trip, 'cause another brother noticed me. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
So how vast is their reputation? Sound Nation has received rave reviews from important clients across the country. Just ask DC celebrity DJ Donnie Simpson, who featured one of their weddings on his show.
I enjoyed working with Andy on the Donnie Simpson Morning Wish giveaway. And by the way, it was the #1 Morning Wish giveaway in the history of CBS Radio. And I fell in love with Sound Nation. I mean, I just, without a doubt, I was like, I felt their energy through the internet. I felt their music. I liked their style.
Good night. When I see your face in the morning sun, you spark me to shine. Gonna tell a story, morning glory, all about the serpentine fire. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh
You might not ever get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet, a movie star or maybe even an Indian chief at the car wash. See you with some feeling, yeah.
Over time, I've been building my castle of love.
Just for two, though you never knew you were my reason.
And maybe to it you would believe, you too might be overjoyed, overloved over me. You done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back.
I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause ask for, 'cause you need one. See, I'm not gonna write you a love song.
so special about that place. Even your emotions had an echo in so much space.
Bamboleo, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así.
Sound Nation brings you flexible, powerful, and engaging entertainment. Become a citizen of Sound Nation.